Hello everyone, welcome to the new video in the series in which we are making a notes app. And in this video we are as we are heading towards the test, writing automated tests for our project. So we will first have a brief overview of the tests. First of all, why we need tests. Then if we understand the why part, then it will be very helpful for us to have a solid reason to write the test cases. So let's understand a scenario. Let's say if we have a app which have 10 features, and if we manually test that app, then what we will do is we will manually navigate to different screens and write text in input fields, tap on a button and change system language. Let's say if app is support that feature, and try to generate every possible errors that can cause during the user flow. So if that issue is found, then we can move towards its fixation. So this is good for smaller app, but if our app is scaling, then that manual testing strategy will scales very poorly, that it will be very difficult for us to test every features. Let's say after with the passage of time, our new features have been added in the app and some enhancement in the older one. Let's say at this point in time, when our app have been scaled, we have 50 features in our app, and if we modify, let's say enhance any 2 to 3 features or add any 2 further features, then it will be very difficult for us to verify all the features, to test all the feature on different to navigate to each screen to verify that are they functioning correctly, and also very difficult to verify on different devices. So that's why we need test cases, automated tests, to test the apps which are scalable or going to be scaled in future. So there are 3 types of tests. First one is a unit test, integration test, and end-to-end test. Unit test is a small test which verify a small portion of the app. Mostly it tests the methods of a single class, and the integration tests are those tests which verify the functionality of a class, which 2 or more class, let's say 2 or 3 classes or more classes are working together. If we write the test for that class, then it would be an integration test. And end-to-end test verify the large part of the app. Most of the times these are UI tests, and verify the user flow of any specific feature. Let's say if we have our authentication flow in registration and the authentication flow in our app, if we write the test to verify that complete flow of user registration and authentication, then this would be an end-to-end test. And in mobile app development world, we have another distinction regarding these tests. These are two grouping: instrumented test and local test. Instrumented tests are those tests which run only on a physical device or emulator device, and mostly these are UI tests or user flow tests. And the local tests are those tests which won't require any Android system component and can be run directly on our development machine or on our server. Sometimes they are also named as host side tests. In the next video, we will we will start with the unit tests, to writing unit tests. So this is the a brief overview about the test cases, why we need it, and what are the types of tests in mobile app development world. What are the further grouping of those tests? So I hope this would be helpful information for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.